Getting a marriage-based green card is one of the common and most stressful immigration process here in the United States of America. A lot of couples get denied not because their relationship is not real, but because of simple, avoidable mistakes. Let's talk about some of those mistakes. The first one is failing to prove a bona fide marriage. Sometimes when applicants submit their green card application, their marriage-based green card application, they just submit, most of the time they only submit like a marriage certificate. That's the main thing they focus on. You have maybe bank account together, you pay mortgage or paying rent together. You need to add all those documents. One of the mistakes people make, which is not good. So if you're in that situation, you planning to submit your application, make sure not only you provide the marriage certificate, which is the main one, but add those financial document as well to show that you guys share stuff together. The second one is incomplete form. Okay, applicants sometimes they don't complete the I-485 for application correctly. They miss a signature, they miss on the date, they answer questions on the form incorrectly, or they don't translate on document that need to be translated. Also, sometimes they don't even pay the correct fee. Those are some mistakes you need to avoid. The third mistake I'm going to talk about is insufficient financial support. Sometimes the applicant or the petitioner know that he or she doesn't have enough money, he or she doesn't meet the income requirement, which is 125% of the federal poverty guideline in general, but 100% in case your spouse is in the military. They don't get like a joint sponsor when they don't meet the income requirement. Normally, if you don't meet the income requirement, you should look for help, find a joint sponsor to assist you to sponsor your spouse. Okay, applicant don't do that. Sometimes that's a big mistake. The fourth mistake I'm going to talk about is prior marriage or divorce issue. Sometimes applicants submit the application without adding any document showing that their previous marriage was terminated, or they had a divorce. Even though they had a divorce, they forget to add a divorce document in the application. Sometimes the applicant divorce is not finalized yet, but they went and get married. They send the application knowing that their marriage is not finalized yet. That's a big mistake. Mistake number 5 I'm going to talk about is missing of important supporting document. Stuff like financial document I was talking about. People don't include those in their application package. They don't include their bank statement or joint account. They don't include their like bills they pay together. They don't include their rent document or their mortgage document. They forget to add photos or any document showing that their marriage is a genuine marriage. Okay, they live in a couple life. They live in a husband and wife life. Another mistake is interview preparation. Sometimes when couple go to the interview, they give inconsistent answers to the question they are asked. Because they didn't prepare their interview very well. Okay. There are a lot of information online, show you exactly what type of question that can be asked, and then you need to prepare, before you go to the interview. That way, when they ask you, the interviewer asks you a question, you know what to say, and you have to be consistent. The husband shouldn't say one thing, and then the wife will say something different. If there is inconsistency, the interviewer would think that, okay, it's not a genuine marriage. You guys are just doing this one to take advantage of the immigration benefit. The 7 mistakes, which is the biggest one, is missing appointment, missing deadlines or notices from USCIS. You won't believe, but sometimes couple forget about the interview date. They forget about deadlines. Some of the document they're supposed to send, maybe they receive a request for evidence. They're supposed to send that document on time. They forget to send the document on time. Or they forget to go to their biometric appointment. Sometimes they even forget to send a notice of intent to deny, on time. Because that has a deadline. You have to submit it before the deadline. They forget about that. Mistakes like that need to be avoided at all costs. Thanks for watching.